Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your own TikTok shop. First thing we're going to do is to open the app on your phone. Then, go to your profile and in here, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings and Privacy. In here, choose Account. To set up your TikTok shop, you have to switch to Business Account. Tap on Next. Then, you just have to select a category. And then add your email. You're now ready to engage with your audience, so you can upload a video now or maybe later. Now go back to your profile and tap on the three horizontal lines once again. This time, choose Creator Tools. Then, scroll down and tap TikTok Shop for Creator. Now read the rules and requirements here. It says that before you could open your own TikTok shop, you must have 1,000 followers and must be 18 years old. By clicking Apply, it means that you agree to this. Once done, you may now start selling and earning on TikTok. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!